Okay, real super quick video. So here's the latest in rotor housings. Remember the big, I think they're like 2-inch disc magnets that I showed you the housing the other day? Well, I started thinking about my original rotor that just has the two disc magnets, north facing one direction, south the other. And I came up with this guy. I designed it in Fusion 360, and I think it's gonna work out really good. The square one that I made, that was in yesterday's video, I don't know. I mean, it's nice, but it did crack. So I'm a little leery about using it, but this guy is beautiful. I mean, look at this. You can't beat this. I can't make this out of acrylic or wood. I mean, I could, but I wouldn't get the precision. I also made a pair of brass knuckles. These things are really cool. Anyway, just a quick update. I'll hopefully get out to the garage today and fill this guy up and fire it up. Ciao.